Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred. Today we're going to finish our three-part series on whether to buy a brand new home or a resale home that may be a little bit older. First week we talked about floor plans. Last week we talked about the finances and the taxes in Mello-Roos. Today we're going to finish off by talking about resale value. Now we get this question asked all the time for clients that are already in Southern California buying with us or coming from out of the area and wanting to buy a piece of real estate in Southern California. They say, Fred, team, if I buy a brand new home or a resale older home, where am I going to have longer, better resale value? And at the end of the day, between these two, my personal opinion is it's not a big difference. See, when it comes to resale value, of course, if you have a brand new home built in 2019 versus a home built in 1965, generally speaking, it seems like you should have better resale value for that new home. Yet at the same time, I believe that there's other factors that are more important that do affect resale value. Number one, how's the city? Number two, how's the neighborhood? Number three, how's the crime rates? Number four, how's the school system overall? And then number five, how's the floor plan? How many bedrooms? What's the square footage? What are the comps selling for in the neighborhood? There's so many factors involved on future potential resale value of a piece of real estate that you're going to buy, that just the fact that it's brand new or older isn't the biggest reason whatsoever. It's important to know, yet that is not the only reason. So if we can help you identify if you're looking at a brand new home to buy or a resale home to buy in a certain city and you want our opinion on which one may be better for you, your financial goals, and your family, reach us 7 days a week at 1-800-921-9231. To see all the properties for sale and for lease in all of SoCal, go to fredsaidgroup.com and tune in next week for another amazing edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.